Hello, welcome to the podcast. Hello, I am happy to be here. Today, we are at the supermarket. Yes, we need to buy some things. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. My name is John. Where are you from? I am from Brazil. And you? I am from the United States. That is nice. Do you come here often? Yes, I come here every week. Me too. I like this place. It is clean and quiet. Yes, it is. Let's start. I need milk. Do you know where the milk is? Yes, the milk is in the dairy section. Follow me. Thank you. You're welcome. Here it is. Great. I will take 1 bottle of milk. I will take 2. Now I need bread. Where is the bread? The bread is over there. Let's go. Okay, I see many types of bread. White bread, whole wheat bread, and fresh bread. I like whole wheat bread. I like fresh bread. It smells good. Yes, it smells very good. I will take 1 loaf. Me too. Now I need eggs. Where are the eggs? The eggs are next to the milk. Let's go back. Okay, here they are. Do you want a small box or a large box? I want a large box. Me too. Now I need fruit. What fruit do you like? I like apples and bananas. I like bananas too. They are easy to eat. Yes, they are. Let's get some apples. These apples look good. Yes, they do. How much are they? They are $3 per kilo. That is not expensive? No, it is not. I will take some apples. I will take some bananas. Good choice. Now I need coffee. Where is the coffee? The coffee is in aisle 5. Thank you. Let's go to aisle 5. Here we are. I see ground coffee and instant coffee.